What's up, Truenorthsole fam? Edwin here. Thank you so much for tuning in today. And today, I'm going to show you one of my grails. Thank you guys for watching the B-roll. Now let's talk about the shoes. If you guys have been watching the sneaker culture or know about releases, you guys know that Jordans and Nikes have been pumping out the shoes in so many different colorways. But for me, the Jordan 1 Chicago's is one of my favorite. Right beside it would be the Breads and the UNC's. This shoes is wrapped around in this red varsity. From the toe cap to the midsole has this white plush, buttery, A-quality leather. Has the black accents from the laces to the swoosh to the ankle support, and most of all, the Jordan 1 logo. But enough talking, guys. Let's put it on feet. Thank you guys for watching today. Make sure you like, comment, share, and let's keep expanding sneaker culture here in Canada. Take care, guys.